What's up, guys? Starting today's video, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we are installing some LED light bulbs into the 4Runner. If you guys know about the stock 4Runner, the stock headlight bulbs are not it. You can't see anything out of them. It doesn't shine that bright and it doesn't go that far as well. So Auxito actually reached out to me. Shout out to Jackson. Got this in about 3 days. The packaging is really nice, and we're gonna unbox it, install it, and show you guys a before and after with my 4Runner. All right, so let's get right into the unboxing. We're gonna unbox this real quick, and then we're gonna show you guys what's inside. And I also have a discount code that you guys can use if you guys do plan on getting some LED lights and save you guys some money. It is code Kripsyj, same name as my channel name, and it'll save you 15% off. And I also found that Auxito carries a whole LED light upgrade for the 4Runner. So it replaces the high beam, replaces the low beam, replaces the corner lights, replaces the lights inside, it replaces the tail lights, it replaces the reverse lights. So I think that's going to be next after we install this, if it turns out well as I think it is. And I'm definitely going to be getting the whole LED kit for this 4Runner because we need to upgrade the lights. It's 2023. We should not be using regular bulbs, and you know, make our car a little bit more modern with some LED lights all the way around. So let's get to unboxing this. There we go. So they included some gloves in the packaging, probably fit my hands. And there's that. Here's some zip ties, some sort of O-rings, and Allen key as well. Here's a manual that they supply with, and here are the LED lights. Now, what I like about these are that you don't really need a conversion. The conversion's already done right here. So it's all plug and play. You just unhook and hook this in once you get this in. And as you guys can tell, got the fan in the rear. Here is the LED. The conversion is already done, and it's basically plug and play. So all we got to do now is probably take a look right here. I don't think I have to do much. I think I can just pop this out and plug it in. So I'm gonna get to working on this and then pick up the camera once we figure some stuff out. All right, so we're gonna show you guys a before we install the LED light bulbs. And got my little helper to turn on the lights. There we go. I know it's kind of, the sun is out, but these are the stock headlight bulbs. And as far as I can tell you guys, and most of the 4Runner owners will probably agree, these stock headlight bulbs are not it. Like, and it's in. It's in. It's in. Just like that. Plug and play. Super simple.
This one's not on. This one is, not this one. Nice.
Bam. What's up, guys? As you guys can tell, we are currently on the road right now. I'm actually doing a couple deliveries, but here are the regular headlight bulbs. As you can tell, you kind of see, not really see. It just really shines on the floor. That's about it. Doesn't really shines on the side. Can't really see the signs. If it's like pitch black out, like no street lights, you really can't see anything. Now if I switch it down to like my DRLs, boom, LED, it shines really bright. I can literally see the street sign all the way across that we're coming up to this light right now, because that's how bright the LEDs are. And I can't even wait to show you guys how bright the freaking high beams are. It's actually insane how bright they are. It really looks like I have like a LED bar, like a light bar in front of my car. But it's just crazy how bright these LEDs are. And I'm like, if I gotta review these, in my opinion, they're like 10 out of 10. Just from stock to upgrading to LEDs. I know you could, you know, find some on Amazon and like some other brands and stuff like that. But something with Auxito and what the technology that they've done to these LED lights is actually insane of how bright they are. Like I said, I'm gonna try to give you guys a better look when you get to like a pitch dark area, just to show you guys the LED like high beam point of view, because it really looks like I have a LED light bar installed onto the car, but it's just really an upgraded light bulb. So all right guys, so I'm kind of by myself on the road. There's a lot of people in front of me, but I'm gonna slow down my speed, and then we're gonna hit the high beams, and I'm gonna show you guys what the high beams look like. So here we are, and boom. What's up guys? As you guys can tell, I completely forgot to end this video, so I'm gonna end it here and give you guys my full thoughts on the high beam LED bulb. They are amazing. I mean, they are super bright at night. They also replace your DRL lights as well, and they're just really bright. And I don't know how to explain it, how to give you guys better like footage of it. It's super bright. It's a huge upgrade over the stock bulbs. And once you turn on the high beams on these LED bulbs, it pretty much looks like you have an LED light bar installed in your vehicle. That's how bright they are. And it spreads really well. It goes really far as well. And I'm actually surprised at how bright these LED lights are. And I want to give a shout out to Auxito and Jackson for reaching out and giving me their product to review and give you guys my honest thoughts on it. That hey, I really enjoy the product, and now I have a code for you guys to use to, save some money, and I recommend going with Auxito lights. It's just crazy how bright they are. And on top of that, like I said, with the high beams, it really looks like you have an LED bar installed in front of your car. But since we got the high beams, I definitely want to get the low beams next. And then eventually we'll be getting all the exterior lights and then all the interior lights. And we're just going to upgrade every single bulb on the car to LED. These super bright high beam lights just blew my mind of how bright they are. And I can expect the low beam and all the other lights to be just as good as well. The product is really good. And if you guys are planning on upgrading LED lights, go through Auxito, use code Kripsyj, and save you guys 50% off your order. And saving is saving. It's better than paying full price. So if you guys are planning on ordering anything from Auxito, please use my code and save some money and get some really bright LED light bulbs that will definitely help with your driving at night or even off-roading or anything that you need at night to use those lights. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a very fun time making this video. It's been quite some time that I made a video, and I actually like had fun, filming it, installing the part, and actually driving out and experiencing the part as well. So shout out to Jackson, shout out to Auxito. Your product is great. Hopefully we can get in contact soon, and let's get the whole LED kit installed into the 4Runner. I have high expectations just because how bright the LEDs were. It just blew my mind how bright they were, and I'm super excited to start getting more products from Auxito to install into the 4Runner for you guys, so you guys can go upgrade your stock bulbs and experience what I'm experiencing right now. Is just such a huge upgrade. I can actually see at night. And yeah, hope you guys like today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.